Hey everybody, welcome to week 7 of distance learning. I know it doesn't seem like it's going that fast, but we are getting close to the end of the year here, so it's time to start doing some of our wrap-up stuff. First thing we want to talk about is week 7's learning target, which is you're going to understand how to leave a job with grace and gratitude. You're getting to that point where it's summer, coming up to summer. You may be looking at leaving your job that you're at for your internship. And that is all fine. I would suggest having another job to jump into or having another plan before you leave this job. Also, you want to do this with that grace and gratitude piece. You don't want to leave a job on a bad note. You want to leave a job with the employer wanting you to come back. Everybody understands that people move around, people change jobs, but you want to go out on the right foot. So that's what we're talking about today, and how to communicate that information to your employer. Also remember to load your paid stubs up until March 17th. We can't accept any after that. Here's our office hours each day. Distance learning internship plan for the remainder of the year if you need that. This week, to accomplish by Friday, you want to watch the overview and expectations video, which you're doing right now. And we are going to watch an ed puzzle on how to quit a job, leaving on good terms. It's a great one from Indeed. Indeed's a great website for job seekers. It's where you can put your resume up, and job seekers are looking for you all over the place. But we're going to be doing an ed puzzle on that. This week, what you have to submit is a screenshot of your ed puzzle score to that ed puzzle assignment. And we're going to be submitting a rough draft of your resignation letter. So we're going to be set up for you so that when you need it, you can just fill out the right dates on your resignation letter, and it's going to be super simple. We want to have great communication this way. Last piece there, we want your final pay stubs completed and submitted. We are all done with those pay stubs. You should be able to complete and submit those. So, going forward, let's get into it. We are on week 7 here. One thing to know, if you go through this way, again, I had some students have a problem with this recently. Going through this way and clicking through it isn't going to allow it to open up for you. You have to click into the actual folder, and now you can start going through it. You're currently watching these expectations. When you're done watching these expectations, this is going to open up. How to quit a job, leaving on good terms, ed puzzle video. Learning goal, how to resign from your job while keeping good relationship with your soon-to-be ex-employer. How to quit job leaving on good terms. You're going to watch this, and you're going to submit a screenshot of your score here. So I'll just put the score in from your ed puzzle. Right here is the ed puzzle. You're going to have to sign in with your Google account. You're going to sign in to my CTE course, and you'll be able to come in and submit that. Next then, so we'll go back up into that group. When you get done with that, it's time for you to work with your letter of resignation. So learning goal here, creating your letter of resignation to prepare for submitting a 2-week notice. Again, 2 weeks. That's a general for submitting a proper notice. Your boss or your work may say, okay, that's fine that you're submitting your 2-week notice. We'll actually have you be done today. If you're a good employee, probably they'll let you finish out the 2 weeks to finish up, clean up anything you have left over. So right here's the article to read. I'll have a link to this article. And then when you're done, you're going to download your letter of resignation rough draft as a PDF and submit it. You'll be submitting the final draft next week or in a couple weeks. Criteria. Here are the 7 steps that this article tells you to do. So you need to make sure to have all of those steps in this document. Submit that, and then you will have your letter of resignation done for this week. Last thing, we're going to back all the way back out. And we still have this under CTE required paperwork. Pay stub record, driver's license, insurance card. Just got to hit the submit button on it once you have it up through March 17th. You're just going to submit that. and make sure to have that completed as well. If you have any questions, again, come to our meetings right here. We're there each day, and I'm there Tuesdays and Thursdays, but we're happy to help you out, and good luck writing your letter of resignation. Have a great week, everybody.